guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be unboxing Rio roller skates. So I'm going to be honest with you guys, I already opened these and skated in them because I was just super excited and I forgot that I was going to make a video. So I packaged them back in the box to show you guys how they look. If you guys want a part 2 where I go skating, comment down below and I will go skating in them. Anyways, let's get to opening these. These are the roller skates that I have. Yeah, one thing with these skates is that the size chart is confusing. You have to like really measure your foot to figure out what size to get, but yeah. So the box is also matching the skate color, which I think is super cool. So let's actually get to opening. They come packaged separately in a plastic bag. So like this. Okay, so I'm just gonna take out the skate. So another thing that the skates come in is with this tube in them. I think it's just from keeping them from bending. So last thing, that's the hardest thing to get out, is at the front of the skate there's this like paper bag. It's really hard to get out. You have to untie the skate to like get it out. So yep, this is what the skate looks like. We got some pretty wheels. These actually spin pretty well, so I didn't have to loosen them. You can probably see they're a little bit dirty already because I skated, but I didn't skate that much at all. The wheels are the soft gummy wheels. They are made especially for outdoor use. So the boot is very thin, as you can see. There's it's not very thick. Like for example, Candy Girl, they're a very stiff boot. This is obviously PVC to have good ankle support. But as you move higher, it's less stiff and very comfortable around your leg. And so is the tongue. The tongue is not PVC, it's very soft. I'm not going to pretend like I know a ton about roller skating. I don't. Okay, so here are both of the boots. Honestly, these are super pretty. I really like the way they look. I definitely recommend these skates if you're a beginner. But yeah, let's actually put them on and I will show you guys what they look like. Guys, that is going to do it for this video. If you have any questions about these boots, leave them in the comments below. I will try to answer them as best as I can. I will link the website and these exact boots down below, so if you're looking to buy these cost about $99. How long did it take? Okay, it took less than a week for these to get here. So I ordered them on Wednesday and they came on Monday. That is all I have. So again, if you have questions, leave them down below. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more, make sure to subscribe and leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.